Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iMessage sign out. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, if you try to send iMessage to someone and showing the error like this, then it means your iMessage is signed out. So for that you have to close this page, and after that you have to open settings. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply look at for iMessage. Here it is guys. From here guys, you have to go to iMessage and make sure that if this toggle is turned on. So after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to wait some seconds. Now after that, tap on send and receive. From here you have to make sure that you have signed in your iMessage. Okay guys, once the error message appear, then it means you are signed out from iMessage. From here you have to sign in. Okay guys, with mobile phone or your email. Okay guys, from here you can put your Apple ID or your phone number and sign in it, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open settings, scroll it down, go to iMessage section, turn this off, close this page, open setting, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset your network setting. Once you have done this guys, just simply you have to force restart your device. It's depending on which model you are using. Once you have done this, open settings, scroll down, now look at for iMessage. Now you have to turn this toggle on, and after that I currently your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.